Here comes a little bit more information about the words den, det, and de. So, the first function that you already know about is that they can mean that and those. Den and det mean that, de can mean those. Hun likte veldig godt den kjolen, det beltet og de hanskene som han kjøpte I går. She liked very much that dress, that belt and those gloves that he bought yesterday. Så den kjolen, det beltet og de hanskene. In the meaning that and those. Also, den and det can mean it. They can be used as a pronoun replacing a noun. And de can mean they. Så du filmen I går? Nei, jeg så den ikke. Filmen is masculine. We replace it with den. No, I didn't see it. Så, nei, jeg så den ikke. Likte du bildet som jeg har kjøpt? Ja, jeg likte det veldig godt. Did you like the picture that I bought? Yes, I liked it very much. So, bildet is neutral. We replace it with det. And for plural, hvor alle glassene? De står I skapet. Where are all the glasses? They are in the cupboard. So, den and det can mean it, and de can mean they. Also, the words den, det, de can be used as definite article when they go together with an adjective. Så du den nye bilen til naboen? The new car. Den nye bilen. So, den is the definite article which goes together with the adjective nye. Den sikkert veldig dyr. It's for sure very expensive. And the other den refers to bilen, and it means it. It is very expensive. Hvilket hus likte han? Det store eller det lille? Det store, the big one, eller det lille, the small one. See, det again, det is the definite article, and it goes together with adjectives. Han likte det store huset. He liked the big house. And for plural, hvor de nye koppene? Where are the new cups? Koppene is plural definite. In this case, the adjective has to go together with the definite article. And here it is de. De nye koppene. Hvor de nye koppene? De I oppvaskmaskinen. And the second de I oppvaskmaskinen, means they. They are in the dishwasher. And the last note is just about the word det. Det can mean it and be used as an impersonal subject. Det snør mye I Tromsø. In Tromsø, it snows a lot. Hvordan går det? Det går fint. How's it going? How are you? It's fine. It's going fine. Det bor over 500 000 mennesker I Oslo. They live over 500,000 people in Oslo. So these are more or less all the situations where you can use den, det, and de.